just installed the Aquor Water Systems V2 connection. Each one comes with the hose connector. You typically leave connected to your water hose at all times. And I bought the water hose connector that I can leave attached to be able to like fill up a bucket without attaching a hose to it. So where the arrows are, connect the arrow in, push, and turn the water on, turn the water off. When you're ready to be done for the day, you could always leave this connected, but when you're done, just turn, and the beauty is it releases all the water out of the valve. I have one for the front, and then I installed one for the back.